Hey guys, welcome back. It is Monday, October 22nd, and today is week 14 of the hair, skin, and nail challenge by NatureBounty. I'm doing the liquid soft gels. I picked it up at Costco. It's an extra strength, like I said before. These things are amazing. Like I said before, my hair is growing. My hair is so wet because I just took a shower, and I wanted to do this quick update because today is Monday and I do updates on Monday, but I won't be posting until Wednesday and Saturday. Those are my 2 days to post all my videos, so keep a lookout for that. So I'll keep you guys updated in the loop, but that's beside the point. But my hair is growing, but hair does take a long time to grow. So I have noticed a big difference, and my family and friends have. So like in my previous videos, my hair was shorter on this side, than this side, and now since I switched to the gummies, and maybe the gummies helped a little bit, but since I switched to the gummies, or from the gummies to this little pretty pink pill, this is what they look like, my hair is evenly on the same side. So in one of these pills, there's 5,000 mcgs. In the gummies, there's only 2,000 each. So you take two of the gummies 2 times a day, which is 4,000 because there's 2,000 biotin in them. But these little pretty pink pills have 5,000 each, and they recommend, I'm distracted. They recommend that you take this 3 times a day with food. So don't take it on an empty stomach because you might puke it up. So I take it at breakfast, lunch, and then I wait until 7 o'clock Pacific time because sometimes I forget and I don't take the lunchtime dose until like 2:30, 3 o'clock, which, I have to take other medicine too in between. So I wait till 7:30 Pacific time to take my last dose. And it is working. My family and friends have noticed a huge difference. I have noticed a difference. A while back, I Googled it to see how long it would take, and they said you will see results in up to 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks to 2 months. And it's been a little over 2 months. So I'm definitely seeing a result, and I hope to see a better result in the weeks coming. And so I will keep you guys updated. I am posting this on Wednesday instead of Monday, so look for that. And Saturday too, like I said. So don't freak out if you don't see an update from me or whatnot. But I am posting them on Wednesday and Saturday. So I totally recommend this. It has more than just biotin. Has all your vitamin B's, iron, zinc, vitamin D, folic acid, things that help your hair grow. And you're not going to instantly see a result because hair, like I said in previous videos, hair takes time to grow. It's a process. It's not going to grow overnight. I'm not a hairdresser, but I can tell you that from experience because I was in a freak accident and I lost 2 pieces of my hair from a curling iron, like I said in previous videos. So it takes time for it to grow. So this is it is growing, as you can tell, but I don't know if you can tell on the back, if you can see that or not, but it is growing, and I'm happy with the results, and I totally recommend this hair strength, nail, and skin vitamins. Today's Monday, I can't talk. By NatureBounty. It's extra strength. I picked it up at Costco for like $13-14, but I'm pretty sure you can pick it up anywhere, Target, Walmart, anywhere. So I totally recommend this video, and look for week 15 on next Wednesday. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if this is helpful to you, comment down below, or comment with tricks and tips that you've done. So thanks for watching.